Back we go. It is August 10th, Tuesday. Market's still going on. Plus 163 Dow, minus 77 NASDAQ, plus 5 S&P 500. Let's take a look at some more stocks. ADVM, a biotechnology stock. These stocks are pretty crazy. They can run up high, crash down low. Since 2019, there's been a big run. Fell back to 6, back to 16. Put a high in of 26.98, and then that was it. Dropped, little bounce. Tried to bounce over this 14 level, then in a clear channel down now with major drops. And then we had big gap down here. It's probably a failed drug. Didn't even look. You don't have to. It's something bad with bios. Most of the time it's a failed drug. Then you went sideways, and here's another gap down. So this is heading nowhere good. It's heading down. Let's look at the monthly. Monthly's at a 067. The only thing good on that is, how much lower can you go to zero? It did that back in 2016, 17 for actually 16 to 18 for a year, 2 years. It can stay low for a while, these bios. Nothing good happens. Eventually they can go bankrupt. Weekly, not much showing in this. So this is pretty much dead. It's a dead flat zone. I wouldn't sit your money here. Oh, it's going to bounce. It didn't bounce here. It's not going to bounce here. So this could come up. And I would say if it does come up, it could come to 350, and 450. If you get really positive news, something good happens. I wouldn't count on that. Certain like stocks you look at, this doesn't show a great picture right now. This is going to have news, something positive happening to it. So this is completely dead to me. Look at it once in a while, see what's going on. But nothing good right now. Geo Group, this stock was in a major move up since 2017. Then it's been down. It's in a trend down. Lately from 2019, look at this move. Big moves down. Here's some moves up too towards this trend line. You can clearly see a trend line develop. 550. It did make a move as high as 11. Look at that. And then we came back, sort of found the base here. This low is the low you want to look at. The 618, it's coming up. And nice run. Sort of caught now. See this from low to high over bought on the weekly. And the weekly showing signs of divergence that you're getting higher. Monthly, this back and forth, back and forth. It's trying to come up here. There's actually a little nice move on the monthly. So could this be, if for this move, or I think it could come and test this 710, maybe 7. You get that. I like that 13. You may hold. See this? It bounces from there. It could do that, and we come back up. There's the ultimate support here. And you have the high right here. So, immediate retracement. Put this in right here. So if you have retracement going here to this low, we're caught in between 23.6 and 38.2 Fibonacci retracement levels. So we'll see what happens with that. All right, here's Solo. This is another one formed back in 2018. Some big spikes came crashing down 2020. July moved up to 5+, and then November we moved as high as 1360. Then we came down sideways. Then we went to 960. And look at this right here. See this move? You have a wedge down, this falling wedge. Draw it right here. All right, so there's the wedge down. A lot of these came out in May. A lot of these EV stocks, they all bounced to a certain level. So in this made the move sideways. There's a slide, move up. Got as high as 495. Came back. Now we're coming back. Looks like almost a double bottom again. So on the weekly on this, weekly, see here, move up, another move up. So To me, this should show me low right here. The low is getting higher. 1, 2, up here, 3. So from 1, 2, 3, we're getting higher. So this is at 345 right now. If this holds, could come back, and then we bounce up further. Monthly, it's getting really oversold. So it's sort of drifting. See this? We're back and forth, trying to get over to 20 EMA. So it's caught in between. We'll see. Look for a move up. If we do, watch this 455 again. And there's your low. There's your stop. So low. Here's another format. ACAD, Arcadia Pharmaceuticals. This was been up high as 56 many times, and it couldn't get over that, and it crashed down many times. You can see here, big gap down, another gap down, so you have a double gap down. When stocks gap more than once, they don't come back up. That's not good. Then you have another gap. So, you might have been holding here. A lot of players hold for that gap. You're going to fill it. Doesn't happen that way all the time. So you're at 20, went to near 26, 25. Now we're fading back down. So this is oversold, but the weekly still showing a negative. See this? There's a nice little move up. Completely bearish in these candles. You're straight line down on the weekly. It's getting very oversold. This could cross, but it's not close yet. It's not even curving. Very slightly. And the monthly is completely bearish. So I'm looking for this to go down further, unless we get some sort of news. Your move up is going to look for 21st, and then eventually maybe get back to 26 to 30, but that's a long ways away right now. So it's not looking good for ACAD. Solo, I like the best out of these. So take a look at some of these stocks. Solo is part of the EV sector. There's probably like 10 or 20 of them. So take a look at that. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kammen Trades alerts on YouTube. Hit the like button. Technical analysis of these stocks. Check out my older videos too. I smashed so many stocks like SHIP, FUV, BTBT. I was all over that, 300%. So a lot of people don't even understand technical analysis. This is one of the main ways you can make money. Just learn these patterns. So, what else do I got? I have StockTwits, Mike Kammen alerts. Instagram, Mike Kammen alerts or trades. TikTok, Mike Kammen trades. Twitter, Mike J Trades. That's it for this video. We are out. Peace.